rushing world pulling me apart. I hear your voice calling to my heart. Stay close, my friend, don't wander away. And the wine holding you, you'll always stay. When I'm weak and weary, when road feels long, your words remind me where I truly belong. Abide in me, I'll be your strength. Rooted in my love, we'll go the land. Abide in me, let my love flow through. Together we'll bear fruit, forever new. Abide in me, abide in me, abide in me. Jesus, you're my strength eternally.